Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to manually upload an activity to Strava. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Strava app. On your phone, just click on the Strava app, and your app will be successfully opened, and you will land in the home page. And now once the app opens, you will see a plus icon at the right side of your screen. Just go ahead and click on that, and now you will see three options appear: manual activity, photos, and post. Just go ahead and click on manual activity. This option allows you to add workouts if they were not recorded using GPS tracking. Now you can just go ahead and title your activities. So let's say I went for a short walk. So I just type walk and set the type or filter or your sport to walk. And now you can also add photos and videos, and you will see activity stats, and you can set your date here. And then once that you have done that, you can select your time, and you can also choose the time taken. So let's say I went for a 10-minute walk. So I'll just add 10 minute and click on OK. And then let's say I travel distance around 2 kilometers. So I'll just add a 2 and set it to kilometers and click on OK. And now once that you have done that, you can also add activity tag, and you have many options. You can also set the visibility, and then once you are happy with how it looks, just go ahead and click on Save Activity to upload it to your Strava profile. And now as you can see, our walk has been successfully added. And that's it. That's how you manually upload an activity on Strava, by selecting manual activity, entering details, and saving it to your profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.